New dummy models of the iPhone 18 Pro have surfaced online, offering what may be the clearest look yet at Apple's upcoming color lineup. The overall design looks very familiar. The phones appear to retain the same general rear layout seen on the iPhone 17 Pro series, including the large camera bar. The iPhone 18 Pro series is a saturated red hue, currently speculated to be called cherry. The other iPhone 18 Pro colors include light blue, black and a silver. The iPhone 18 Pro models will sport a significantly smaller dynamic island cutout, measuring 13.49 mm in width. The cutout on the current iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max measures 20.76 mm. This translates to roughly a 35% reduction in size over the existing models. The back of the phone will be getting a more technical upgrade. Prosser claims that the main camera on the iPhone 18 Pro could include a variable aperture system. A new set of renders claims to show what Apple's next flagship phone might look like. 2nm A20 Pro chip, the first chip built on TSMC's 2nm process, promising up to 15% faster performance and 30% better power efficiency. Another small but interesting adjustment could be to the camera control button. Apple's plans could easily change before the iPhone 18 lineup is officially announced. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.